Hey, this is Darren. Welcome to the Kartra step-by-step series where I'm taking a brand new Kartra account and building it out step by step on video so that you can follow along. In this demo I'm going to show you how to set up a custom domain in Kartra. Step 1, from your dashboard you're going to need to go and click on your profile link and you need to go to custom domains. We then need to go to add new custom domain. And for this demo we're going to do only the main domain. You can do a subdomain, but we're just going to do the main domain. So we click on that and then we're going to need to type in our domain here. Okay, so I've already got one pre-populated, but you'll need to go and purchase one if you haven't got one, and then you're going to need to type it in there and we're going to click next. We're going to need to point our scene name record to Kartra, okay, and we're going to need this piece of information here, which is our username.kartra.com. okay, so highlight that and then copy that. Step 2, we're going to then go and create our scene name record and point that to Kartra. So you're going to go to your domain name provider and create a new scene name record. I'm using Namecheap, so if you're using Namecheap you can simply follow along by this, but if you're using a different domain name provider then obviously you'll need to go and find their instructions on how to create a new scene name record. So I've chosen the domain name that I'm going to point to Kartra, and you're going to go to Advanced DNS Settings. And then we're going to add a new record, and the record that you need to add is scene name. It's going to ask for the host, that's going to be www. The target value is going to be what you've just copied out of Kartra, which is your username.kartra.com, and then the TTL, okay, you're going to leave that set to whatever your domain name provider has recommended. This is set to automatic, so I'm just going to choose Save Changes. Step 3, we're going to need to go back to Kartra. We're going to need to click on Yes, I have completed the steps above to link my custom domain to Kartra. Step 4, it's going to ask us for some pages, okay? It'll ask us for 2 pages where when that gets pointed to, it's going to ask us for an index page and it's going to ask us for a 404 error page. This is a brand new account, okay, so I'm going to go and create a new page. So we click on New Page and then I just choose a Coming Soon page, because we can go and change these later. So I'm going to click Select and then Launch Page Builder. We're going to enter a name. We can either call it Coming Soon or we can call it a temporary page. Category, we're going to say no particular category because we don't have categories yet, and select site, no particular site, because again we don't have a site, and click Create. Because it's a brand new account, Kartra will take you through these tutorials. So I'll just go through these tutorials and then we'll come back to the video. We don't need to do anything else to this page once this is now loaded up, because this is just somewhere to point our domain to while it all sets up. So we're going to publish this live, so you're going to click on Actions and Publish Live. And then we're going to click Close, go to the actions again and go to Return to Dashboard. Step 4, we're going to go back into our custom domain and we just need to refresh this. So if you just drop down the destination page link, click External Link and then go back and click Kartra Pages, it refreshes. We're going to select Site, no particular site, Kartra page, we're going to click Temp. And then the same for the 404 error page. Select the site, no particular site, and we'll click temp. We're going to go and change these later. We click next. Kartra will tell us that the domain integration process has started and it should be completed within the day. It usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. And that is basically how you set up a custom domain in Kartra.